At the very beginning, I would like to offer my heartfelt greetings and deepest respect at the holy feet of my great teacher, Imam Professor Dr. Kudrat Khuda Matajilul Ali Hujur Kebla Jan. I remain ever grateful to him. Hello, dear respected learners. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another exciting English lesson. This is in front of you, Md.Sultan Milan, and before you, but please call Milan because that's my nickname. I hope you are sunny and shiny, and I'm also doing great too. Today we will learn 5 long vowel sounds. You may practice with me. So let's get started. First one is E, 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 beat, beat, sheep, ah, 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 bird, bird, o, 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 boat, boat, a, a, bird, bird, oo, oo, food, food, food. That's all. Hope you love my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. See you again with another interesting English lesson. Still and stay happy and still learning. Bye bye and take care.